What is up, Rockstars? Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel, and wrap up for the weekend here on a Sunday for what's sold on eBay. As usual, we're going to go over some of the better profit items. That way you guys can get an idea of some of the brands, some of the items, some of the things you should be looking for when you're out at the store. I'll tell you what we sold them for, if they took a best offer, or if we took a best offer, and then what the profit was after fees and shipping, and then you'll have an idea of, you know, also a number that you can put down of what you should be paying for these items. So the first one, you see it on the screen right now. This is directly off of my computer, is Wicked Spirits of Peace men's jeans. They're 31 black metallic lightning bolt pants, and so these were very, very different. These were odd. These just sold yesterday. I don't know anything about this brand. There was only a few solds, but I picked them up for $3 on a half off day, and we ended up taking a best offer of 26, which leaves 23 in profit. Then you take away the fees, which on $26 is around $3.50 to $4. So that would leave us 22, and then they are going to cost $6.90 to ship. So that leaves us a $15 profit. Not bad. Spent 3, that's times 5 the money. Pretty good. All right, not one you'll probably find that often, but cool pants like these is kind of something you should make a note of. Guy Harvey shirt, sold at best offer, $13, paid $2. These Guy Harvey fishing shirts are just kind of bread and butter, quick sale flips for me. So, you know, 13 and 2 makes 11 profit. It's going to cost about 3 in fees, less than 3 in fees. So that's 8 and less than 3 to ship, hopefully. And so that's $5 to $6, $5.50 in profit. After paying, you know, so little for it, not bad. But this one sold in just a couple of days. The Marilyn Monroe scrub tops with unique things on them will do well. This was a $1 purchase. We ended up selling this full price, $17.60. That's $16.60 in profit, less the fees, about $3. You know, $13.60 less shipping, right around $10 in profit for this, maybe a little more. This one I picked up just last week, sold full price, $25. It's a H-Bar-C men's Western pearl snap with embroidery. So this goes back to our old anything with designs on it, pearl snap, embroidered. Here's the front, here's the back of it. It was kind of sheer see-through-y, but very nice. Paid $2 for it. That's 23 profit, less the fees, about 19, less shipping, about $16 in total overall profit. I got this at Goodwill Outlets. This thing is literally like 2 inches by 2 inches, if that. I probably paid 10 cents for this thing, and it sold for $7.99. So, I mean, you're talking about a $7.89 less fees and shipping, you know, made $3 on a 10-cent purchase. Took 2 seconds to list it. Brooks Brothers tie, $12, paid 50 cents for it. That's $11.50 less fees and shipping, probably around like 6 to 7 in profit. Brooks Brothers does well. It's not amazing. These plain stripes will get you 12 to 14. The Donald Trump tie had a little tiny hole in it. It's going to be hard to see. I'll try to zoom up on it. There it is. There's the zoomed up picture. Anyways, even with that hole, we got 20, and I paid around $1 to $2 for this one, so pretty good. That's 18 profit, less fees and shipping, probably around like 13. Reebok men's 12 PT Prime runner shoes, $19.20 plus 7 shipping, so $26.20 on these. Paid about $7, so that leaves us, I think it was 6 or 7, so that leaves us about 20 profit. They're going to cost, you know, 4 in fees is 16, less about 10 to ship. So we made about 6 or 7 on these. Not great, but not bad. They were a bulk purchase. Same with these Puma shoes. These were another 21, and we'll probably make about $5 on these, about 8 or 9 in shipping, 3 or 4 in fees, so about 13, 14 shipping and fees, and about 6 to buy these, so about 20, and we got 21, 22. Not really any money in these. These were just a test kind of bulk. And finally, the Harley Davidson motorcycle jacket that I paid $15 for, 80 sale price. That's 65 profit. The fees probably about $10, so 55, and it's probably going to be about 12 to ship. So 45, 43, maybe $40 in profit, but really good on the Harley jacket. Yes, we had it for several months, but it's just an item that just happened to sit. We sold the first one right away and got our profit, and now this second one gave us all the money in our bank account. So pretty good on the Harley. Always look for Harley and all the rest of the items you saw here on the sold on eBay this weekend. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll have another video out for you tomorrow. On Monday, we'll start the week off right. I hope you guys had a wonderful sales weekend. Let me know how you did in sales, how many items you sold, how much money, one of your best profits or one of your best flips, I'd love to hear about them. And as always, check out the description box down below if you'd like to take a look at my store, if you'd like to buy anything, if you'd like to go to Amazon and buy any of the equipment that I use, or if you just want to buy anything at all off of eBay or Amazon, off of anybody. If you visit those sites using my links and you purchase anything from any seller, including myself, it will benefit me and help me out, and I really, really appreciate it. Have a wonderful Sunday night, and I'll see you again tomorrow.